that's why I'm red.
Oh my god, okay.
Just giving all the knives away.
Okay, no, hold on. Who did that? Who's
Chuck!
doing that? Who's doing that?
Yellow lives on.
Does your sword also have a title?
Mine says I am the boogie.
Okay. What if we make it like a sky base?
A few minutes later.
When is build height? When is build height? I want to be done. Hi.
Coming up, doing it.
Uh-oh.
It's Cheeky Pengu. Be gone.
No, it's not. Your ass is not Cheeky Pengu.
Who's the real Cheeky Pengu?
That would be me.
Say something only the real Cheeky Pengu would say.
I would say my address, but I...
Guys.
Here, you know what? You know what? I'm gonna unlock a part of my address every hour. 7 True.
Can you jump wider? Can you jump wider?
Wait, okay, whoever's doing that, you're funny, so I'm letting you up. We're fun, guys. There's like 8 of us. Someone just fell. There's like 7 of us.
What's your thoughts on blowing up stuff?
Blowing?
There's Hazel's getting ready to do something. I don't know what's going on over there.
A few minutes later.
I think Hazel's boogie, so we should leave.
I mean, we have an efficiency 7 shovel, so we could easily get them.
We can do agriculture.
Let's be humble farmers, guys. I'm panicking, and you're like, it's okay. Oh.
I shot him
dear.
back!
Oh, wait, yeah, he shot me.
Easier than I-
Wait, he shot me. I can fight back. Hey, buddy, you shot me earlier.
Wow, I love all of you. I would kiss you on the cheek, but I'm not really allowed to.
I love you too.
The deforestation going on.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Just don't look that way. Just don't look that way. There's nothing. Don't worry about it.
Does anyone wanna be a red and have fun?
I'm really tempted.
Um.
Oh, I'm
Wait,
so
no.
tempted.
No. Wait, you only not. If you
I'm so
become
tempted.
Seeing you,
I'm
Red Life.
tempted.
Bye.
Hey, I might take you up on that. I might take you up on that later. Okay, I might take you up on that later. Don't worry. I'll be back. I'll be back.
Star, you can't do this.
I'll be
Pengu
back.
Star.
Yeah, come back.
okay.
He's a boogeyman, he's a boogeyman, he's a boogeyman.
I'm
Not me.
a boogeyman.
Damn.
Okay.
Hi,
No, it's
Cameron. Oh, hi, Red.
I woke up and I just hear.
A few minutes later.
Hold on, wait.
Oh, I didn't-
Incredible.
We're not responsible.
I'm doing less good. I'm doing less good.
Oh, wait, when did you become yellow?
Yeah, but we have.
Oh, you know, 2 TNT minecarts later. You know.
Let's go.
Ah.
I'm not
Yeah.
I'm
Wanna
bored.
join me?
Does that count half as
Yeah.
much?
Okay.
Oh, I can't crit. Oh.
Oh, yeah.